Over the past few days, Enbon showcased a range of LED display solutions, including our retail LED display and pretty shaped LED screens. This product demonstrates how LED technology can be applied to the different sensory, from the stage performance and navigation to commercial and creative display space.
This is our spherical screen, okay, and we also call is round screen or like a ball, and we use two pixel pitch, and this is like brightness is 600, and also we can make like 1000 or 1200 as a brightness. And this one is our dome reception desk. So we use GOB technology as well here, and also this is pixel pitch 2.5 indoor, okay, like in office building reception.
This is mechanical rotating screen for Enbon. The pixel pitch is 2.6, and this one can be make any size of customization. And this one now here is only one side of screen, but it can be made two side. And this is up to down, which is column is 10 pieces, and side is line, which is 2, which we have launched here in 2026 ISLE. This is robotic arm screen, we have told it, and this one also P2.6 transparent screen, which is general transparent screen. This one can be make 5 side of cube, and this one also can be make like this kind of. You can see here, yeah, like this. Here this one matrix screen, and this one P2.8, and this one is COB technology, which is like very high technology this time with high resolution, and this it can be rotated like this. This is we called matrix skin, and this one can be make different size which can be make customization according customers requirement.
During the exhibition, we are very pleased to meet partners, clients, and friends from around the world. The communication, idea, and feedback we have received truly valuable to us. Although the exhibition has come to the end, our journey of the innovation continues. Thank you for everyone who visited Enbon booth and shared this experience with us. We look forward to see you again next year.